Are you facing acidity problems? While there are medications that can help with the growing pain, some natural ingredients, such as cloves, can provide immediate relief. We've all had the experience of drinking tea on an empty stomach or eating a big meal and feeling a burning sensation in your stomach, which leads to heartburn and acid reflux. Spicy meals, irregular eating habits, stress, lack of physical activity, and alcohol consumption can all contribute to acidity. When stomach acid or bile rushes into your food pipe and irritates the lining, it causes a burning sensation and pain. While there are drugs that can help you deal with the pain, some natural products, such as basil leaves, cinnamon, buttermilk, apple cider vinegar, cumin seeds, and cloves can help you feel better right away. Clove is the most effective of these natural medicines. Here's why you should keep cloves handy. What is acidity and what are the symptoms? Food passes via the esophagus and into the stomach. The stomach's gastric glands produce acid, which is required for food digestion. Acidity develops when the gastric glands create far more acid than is required for digestion. A burning feeling occurs right above the stomach in this case. In India, the illness is more common because they eat more fatty and spicy dishes on a regular basis. Here are some symptoms of acidity that you should be aware of. Burning sensation in the stomach. Burning sensation in the throat and heart. Bad breath. Indigestion. Prolonged sour taste in the mouth. Nausea. Restlessness. Constipation. Tip: when you have acidity, never lie down because it will just make things worse. How does clove help soothe acidity? Shilpa Arora, a macrobiotic nutritionist and health coach, says, cloves aid in proper digestion and nutritional absorption. They help to prevent acidity when added to curries and other foods. To prevent the condition, combine equal amounts of cloves and cardamom. Their carminative effect aids in the relief of acidity and the elimination of gas. Cloves also help digestion and minimize peristalsis by increasing saliva production, muscle contractions in the digestive tract. Heartburn can be relieved by chewing on cloves, which is a Siddha or Ayurvedic medicine. How to use cloves to soothe acidity. Chew 2 to 3 cloves to allow the juices to enter your system, providing immediate relief from acidity. Eat crushed cloves with cardamom, which will not only help minimize acid trouble, but also freshen the bad breath that often accompanies the condition. To avoid stomach upset, the best way to incorporate cloves into your diet is to include them in curries and rice meals. In case of extreme acidity and a prolonged condition, visit a doctor to ensure right treatment. Have you ever tried cloves for acidity before? After seeing this video, would you recommend it to anyone? Please let us know in the comments section below. We'd be delighted to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.